Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. Congratulations for those people that mine Paw. Now we can withdraw our Paw to Bybit or BitGet. Okay guys, now what you are going to do, straightly come down to the TG dashboard where you see TG dashboard here. Can you see that? That is the TG dashboard. You have to click on it. By the time you click on it, it will open. It will open. Okay, as you can see it here now, it has already opened. Wallet connection, eligibility check, calculation, now claim to our exchanges. Now just throw it up. You click on next. Just click on next. Okay. Now you can see the claim button now. It has what turned to green of fish. You can claim it right now. So what we are going to do, click on it like this. So you click on it. So what you can see here now, you can see that it right terms and condition, Paws token airdrop terms and condition. So just check it like this. Okay, and you press continue. Now what you see here is centralized exchange and on-chain withdrawal. Firstly, that centralized exchange is what is going on now. That is, you can withdraw it to your Bybit or bigger. That is the only centralized exchange available for now. And on-chain here is whereby you want to withdraw to Phantom or Tonekeeper order. But that one has not been release. Maybe within 24 hours that one will be released, like this centralized exchange. Okay, now and then 3% withdrawal fees is going to be deducted. So definitely don't expect the total number of your Paws. Okay, don't expect, because of the 3% of the withdrawal fees will be deducted. So you click on it like this. Right now you can see that we have Bybit and what BitGet. Okay, so I will deposit to Bybit, or your own you can also deposit to BitGet. But with my own advice, you can deposit to, if you have Bybit rather, deposit to Bybit. I think the immediately they list it, the price will be what will higher than BitGet. That is according based on my own experience. So okay, but let me just try Bybit, okay, to withdraw to Bybit. So I will click on Bybit like this. Just click on the Bybit. So you click on it. So as you click on it like this now, it will ask you question. Do you have a Bybit account? Definitely, if you have a Bybit account, just say yes, I have. Now, what you are going to put here is Bybit UID. Okay, get it from my Bybit, and then I'll copy the address. So let's go to the Bybit account, Bybit wallet now, Bybit exchange rather. So guys, what we are doing now here is to come down to this area where you see this place. So that is where you get your UID, the one I inputted that time. So you click on it like this. So you can see it here. So this is where you will see it. You can see this is my own. This is where I input my own that time. So after you copy this UID, okay, you now come back again. You come back, you come down to this asset. Okay, click on asset here. Just click on asset. By the time you click on asset, you click on deposit. You click on deposit. So under the deposit, you come down to the deposit crypto here. Click on deposit crypto, and then you search for Paws. Search for Paws. Search for Paws here. So this is it now. You just have to click on Paws. Click on it. Solana. So you click on that Solana. All right, guys, this is the address now. Make sure that it's Solana. Look at this for exactly what I'm talking about. You can see now SOL is that is Solana address. So now what you are going to do now is to copy. Just copy it like this. You can see that it's copy now. You move back to your Phantom. We move back to our Phantom. So it has to load again. So we move back to our Phantom. So guys, as you can see, the address now, we are going to copy it and input it in deposit address here. So don't forget the address we copied that right time. So we have to put it here. We paste it. So that is the address there. And then the UID that disappeared. So I will re-put it again. Put it again. That is 442 610 610 610 492 492 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 42 42 6 10 492. So guys, this is exactly what you are going to do now. As you can see it here now, just put continue, press continue like this. As you can see, check your data. You will not receive token if the information enter is incorrect. Okay, if the information enter is incorrect, you will not receive tokens. Please, you have to confirm it very well. So that is it now. So you continue. So can you see now that the final steps you want to withdraw, that is 11,955. So that is my Paws balance. So you confirm it. You confirm it. So now, as you can see it here now, done. You will receive your token in your Bybit account before trading start has been selected, Bybit. So that is exactly what you saw. Just finish like this. You can see now the 4 line as what completed: wallet connection, eligibility check, calculation, and claim Paws. Okay, so that is exactly and how you can withdraw your Paws directly to your Bybit or BitGet account. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial, and make sure that you do this thing before today, tomorrow on the 15th is going to close. Please do it. Okay, don't lose your Paws token. Find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for my next update. Peace.